Is your Ring camera's video choppy, delayed, or constantly disconnecting? The problem is likely low RSSI, or received signal strength indicator. RSSI measures the Wi-Fi signal strength your camera receives. A low RSSI means a weak signal, leading to these frustrating issues. RSSI measures the power level of a received radio signal, typically in decibels dBm, with values ranging from 0 strongest to -100 weakest. For Ring cameras, which rely on Wi-Fi, low RSSI causes lag, disconnections, and reduced functionality. We'll explain what RSSI is, why it matters for your Ring camera, and dive into proven solutions to boost your signal strength. RSSI, or Received Signal Strength Indicator, measures the power level of your Wi-Fi signal in decibel milliwatts, ranging from 0 decibels, which is the strongest, down to -100 decibels, which is the weakest. For Ring cameras to function properly, you need a stable Wi-Fi connection with an RSSI above -70 decibels. Below this threshold, you'll start experiencing problems. Watch how the RSSI value affects signal strength. As the value improves from -100 up towards 0, the bar grows longer, indicating a stronger connection. When RSSI drops below -70 decibels, you may experience video lag, frequent disconnections, and reduced functionality like motion detection. Several factors can significantly impact your RSSI, including the distance from your router, thick walls that block the signal, and interference from other wireless devices. The Ring app conveniently shows your current RSSI value, helping you monitor signal strength. Understanding this metric is the first step to fixing your signal and ensuring your Ring camera works reliably. Section 3. Immediate steps to improve RSSI. First, reposition your Ring camera. Elevate it and minimize obstructions between the camera and your Wi-Fi router. Ensure your camera's firmware is up to date, as Ring releases updates with Wi-Fi stability improvements. Restart both your Ring camera and your Wi-Fi router. These simple steps can often provide a noticeable improvement in RSSI. If repositioning your Ring camera doesn't solve RSSI issues, consider using a Wi-Fi extender or a mesh Wi-Fi system. Wi-Fi extenders rebroadcast your existing Wi-Fi signal to extend its range. They act as a bridge between your router and areas with weak signal. Mesh systems, like the Ring Connect mesh system, provide broader and more consistent coverage by creating multiple Wi-Fi access points throughout your home. According to Amazon testing, mesh networking can reduce RSSI drops by up to 40%, providing more reliable connectivity for your Ring cameras. Ring cameras typically use 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi for connectivity. This frequency band is widely supported and provides reliable coverage over longer distances. However, some Ring camera models also support 5 GHz Wi-Fi. This higher frequency band offers faster data speeds and experiences less interference from other household devices. The key difference is range. 5 GHz signals have shorter range compared to 2.4 GHz, but they provide cleaner connections with less interference. If your Ring camera supports 5 GHz and is located close to your router, switching to 5 GHz can provide a stronger, cleaner signal with faster speeds. However, if the camera is far from the router, 2.4 GHz might provide more stable connectivity due to its better range. The best approach is to experiment with both frequencies in your specific setup to determine which provides the most reliable connection for your Ring camera. When basic fixes don't resolve RSSI issues, advanced troubleshooting steps can help identify and eliminate persistent signal problems in your Ring camera setup. The first advanced step is to check for interference from other household devices. Microwaves, Bluetooth speakers, and cordless phones operate on the 2.4 GHz frequency band that Ring cameras use, causing signal disruptions. Physically move these devices at least 10 feet away from your camera and Wi-Fi router to reduce interference and improve signal strength. If you live in a densely populated area like an apartment complex or urban neighborhood, Wi-Fi congestion from neighboring networks can severely impact your Ring camera's performance. Multiple routers operating on the same channel create interference, causing RSSI to drop and video quality to suffer. To combat congestion, use a Wi-Fi Analyzer app on your smartphone to scan available channels and identify less crowded frequencies. Apps like Wi-Fi Analyzer or Network Analyzer show which channels have fewer competing networks. Once identified, access your router's settings to manually switch to a clearer channel, which can significantly improve RSSI and connection stability. In extreme situations where these steps don't suffice, consider professional installation services. A certified technician can assess your home's layout, identify optimal router positioning, and recommend router upgrades with advanced features like beamforming and multiple antennas. Modern routers with mesh networking capabilities can extend coverage and maintain strong RSSI throughout your property. Let's examine real-world examples of RSSI improvements and expert insights to understand the impact of proper signal management. An urban apartment dweller in New York City faced chronic RSSI drops at -85 dBm due to Wi-Fi congestion from neighboring networks. By installing a Ring Chime Pro extender and updating firmware, signal strength improved dramatically to -50 dBm, enabling reliable 4K streaming. In a Purdue University study of 50 rural farms, low RSSI caused 30% of false motion alerts. Implementing mesh extenders and solar-powered repeaters reduced these incidents by 60%, with one farm achieving 99% uptime and significantly more reliable monitoring. IoT analysts at Gartner report that 25% of smart camera failures stem from RSSI issues. Ring CEO Dave Limp has stated that mesh networking advancements will eliminate 70% of these signal problems by 2028, promising much more reliable smart home security. These case studies and expert opinions demonstrate that while RSSI issues are common, they are solvable through proper equipment, placement, and technology. Proactive troubleshooting ensures your Ring camera provides the reliable security monitoring you expect.